Your Airwallex account is created instantly after sign-up, but it stays in pending verification mode until you complete KYC and make the first funding. Only then is it fully activated. You can issue cards, receive payments, and spend. Steps to fully activate: log in at airwallex.com or open the mobile app. Complete KYC if not done during sign-up. Dashboard verification: upload government ID, passport, driver's license, proof of address, business registration documents, certificate of incorporation, EIN, ABN, etc. Live selfie, usually approved in minutes, 24 hours. Add and verify a bank account wallet, fund wallet. Link your company bank, ACH, SEPA, Wire. Airwallex sends 2 small test deposits. Confirm amounts in 1 to 2 days. Make first deposit transfer any amount, even $1, from your verified bank. Once received, your account status changes to active. Done. You can now create virtual physical cards instantly, receive local payments, USD, EUR, GBP, etc., pay globally with low FX,